Did you know that 5 teenagers who died in a van crash in Fiji are still fighting for their lives every single night? At Fiji Hospital, a respiratory therapist made a chilling discovery. Every night at exactly 11:30, 5 unplugged ventilator machines turn on by themselves. They breathe in perfect sync, even though no patients are connected to them. Each machine matches the exact breathing pattern of one of the boys who died in that tragic rugby game accident. But here's where it gets terrifying. The breathing starts normal, then becomes panicked and desperate, just like it happened during the crash. Security cameras show the machines moving up and down as if invisible chests are rising and falling on empty beds. The medical screens display impossible vital signs for patients who aren't there. Then one by one, each machine flatlines at the exact moment each boy took his final breath. The therapist realized something haunting. The boys' last desperate gasps for air are trapped forever in these machines, endlessly replaying their fight for survival, searching for the life support that came too late.